Whoa, what was that? What was that? Cross-eyed. Oh. Oh, you're so good holding your head up. Look at that, girl. You're hoping another one doesn't come, huh? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Whoa, whoa. Bless you. Oh no. I heard that in your pants. You hear it too? What's that? Oh my. Don't hiccup again. Don't hiccup. Did it go away? Did it go away? Let's wait. Maybe it's gone. Maybe it's gone. Oh, I think that was one. Oh. Why are you going cross-eyed again? Huh? No, you're not. Oh, Jaden. I think they're gone. Maybe we can go to sleep now.